Okay, the oil pump. Just going to put it back together. The oil pump is located here in the car, and what it is there's two sprockets. This one's got to come facing out on the furthest side, like so, and the second one's longer than the other. The longer one goes in, obviously, so it's not extruding out. So, like so, and then the cover plate, and it can only go in one direction. Like so, and then the free screws. I always use a bit of Loctite on blue stuff. I'm using gloves because I've put a lot of chemicals on this car to actually clean it, if you're wondering why the gloves. Alright, so tighten them up, and that is the oil pump.